Good morning to you, students. We have completed a reference to the context of chapter The Kite Maker, which is your chapter number 4 of prose section written by Ruskin Bond. So today I am going to explain all short type questions and their answer. So see the answer and listen the questions. The first question has been asked here. How did Ali lose his kite? Okay. See the answer here. Ali lost his kite as it got caught in the branches of an old banyan tree, which was situated in the street known as Gully Ramnath. Okay. Now, second question. What did the old man say when he heard that Ali had lost his kite? See the answer. When Mahmud heard that Ali had lost his kite, then he told him that he needed to learn the art of flying kites. Now see question number 3. Why did the little boy kiss his grandfather? See the answer. Very easy answer, and the question also and important also. See the answer. The little boy kissed his grandfather because he got a new kite from his grandfather. Ali promised to his grandfather that he would not lose the kite and it would fly like a bird. Now the fourth number question. Why did the old man continue to make kites even when his shop was no longer there? See the answer. The old man continued to make kites for his own amusement and as a plaything for his grandson Ali. Next question we have question number 5. Why did many people not buy kites? See the answer. Many people did not buy kites because the adult had stopped flying them and children spent their money at the film shows. Moreover, there was no open grounds left for flying kites. Now see the question number 6. Where were the great battle fought in kite flying and how? See the answer. The great battle were fought in kite flying by the kite, serving and swooping in the sky and tangling with each other until the string of one was cut. Now, question number 7 we have. How does the old man compare the present time with the past time? What important changes does he find? See the answer. The old man compared the busy life of the present time with the leisurely life of the past time. Let me scroll the next page. In the past, people used to enjoy fun like kite flying, but now tender and delicate things are being trampled underfoot. That means small things are not given importance. There is no place for human affections in the heart of the people. The people are living a hurried life. Hurried means what? Very busy, hectic life schedule. Okay. They have no concern for others, not even for their neighbors. Even children prefer to spend their money at the movies and not on simple entertainment like the kite flying. So this was all about the answer of Question number 7. Now here we have question number 8. Describe the special features of the kite made by Mahmud at the request of the Nawab. See the answer. The kite consisted of a series of small, very light paper discs. A fantastic face was painted on it with the two eyes made of a small mirror. A string of grass was laid to the extremity of the each disc. The kite appeared like a crawling serpent. The kite, the special kite made by Mahmud, was just like a living creature. In such a way he made this special kite that it was looking like a living creature, a living snake. Okay? Now, we have next question. That is question number 9. Question number 9 we have. So, the question has been asked here. Describe the features of dragon kite. Here I have written describe the dragon kite. Okay, you know very well Mahmud has made one special kite on at the request of the Nawab. So you have to describe about this kite, and that special kite name is what? Dragon kite. So here is dragon is an imaginary serpent. The kite had disc decreasing in size from head to foot. It gave the appearance of a crawling serpent, so it was given the name of a dragon kite. Now we have question number 10. What happened finally to the dragon kite? क्या हो गया फिर बाद में ड्रैगन काइट का एंड कैसे हो गया? See the answer. The dragon kite flew higher and higher in the sky. When it went very high, it pulled fiercely on the twine and twine broke. The thread broke. The kite kept moving towards the sun and vanished into the vast sky. In this way, we have completed up to question number 10. Now, see the next question. Next question is, what sort of attitude did people have for old kite maker? Okay, see the answer. People did not have any concern for the old kite maker. They were indifferent towards him. The reasons were that they were living in a competitive world. They lived a hurried life and busy life and were struggling for a living. The increase in the population also made the people indifferent towards one and another. See the answer and listen the question. Now we have question number 12. In what way does the author compare men with trees? See the answer. The writer Ruskin Bond told that there is a great affinity. Affinity means what? Similarity. Between trees and men. Both of them grow as much of same speed. In their youth, both look bright and cheerful, fresh, charming. But in their old age, both bend a little and they die finally almost in the same way. So these were the similarities between trees and the men. Here we have question number 13. What happened to the torn kite in the banyan tree? See the answer. Suddenly, a gust of wind caught the torn kite and lifted it into the air and carried it into the blue sky. It stands as a symbol for Mahmud's soul, which left his body for his heavenly abode. Now we have question number 14 in front of you and the answer also. In question number 14, it is asked, what is the feeling created in us? What is the feeling created in us by the story? See the answer. The story creates a feeling of pathos and sorrow by bringing out the cruel change that has taken place in our times. This story also creates feelings of sympathy for the old Mahmud, a famous kite maker. Now we have question number 15. What complaint did Ali make to his grandfather in the lesson The Kite Maker? See the answer. Ali complained his grandfather that his kite had struck struck in the branch of old banyan tree. Okay. See this word. Okay. Now, beta, here is one changes. Struck, spelling of struck is what? S-T-R-U-C-K. Struck. Here, by mistake, C I forgot to write here. So just write this one, struck. Ali complained his grandfather that his kite had struck. Spelling it S-T-R-U-C-K. Struck in the branches of old banyan tree. Okay. Now we have last question of this chapter, short question. Who was Mahmud? Why was he popular throughout the city? So this question is very important and very easy. See the answer. Mahmud was a kite maker. Mahmud's art of making kites had given him popularity throughout the city. In this way, we have completed all short question types answer. Okay. Now we have some vocabulary that we will do in next video. Okay. In next lecture, I will explain all the synonyms, antonyms, and etc. Whatever is there. Okay. Thank you very much, class.